Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make healthy collard greens. First, select about 2 pounds of fresh, dark green collard leaves, ensuring they are firm and vibrant. Next, wash them thoroughly under cold running water to remove any dirt or grit. Then, remove the tough central stems by folding each leaf in half and tearing the leafy part away. Finally, stack the leaves and chop them into 1-inch to 2-inch pieces, preparing them for cooking. Now, let's discuss healthy cooking techniques. Use a large pot or Dutch oven with a tight-fitting lid. Add about 1 cup of low-sodium vegetable broth or water to the pot, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Add your prepared collard greens, cover, and cook for approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour, or until tender. This method allows the greens to braise without needing large amounts of added fats, keeping them light and nutritious. To infuse your collard greens with delicious, healthy flavor, start by sautéing 1 diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in a small amount of olive oil. For a smoky taste, consider adding about 4 ounces of smoked turkey or a vegetarian smoked paprika alternative. Season with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick, and a teaspoon of brown sugar to balance the flavors. These additions enhance taste without relying on unhealthy fats. Once tender and flavorful, serve your healthy collard greens warm as a fantastic side dish. These greens are incredibly nutritious, packed with essential vitamins like K, A, and C, supporting bone health and immunity. They also offer a significant amount of dietary fiber, aiding digestion and promoting fullness. Enjoy these delicious and wholesome greens as a vital component of any balanced and healthy meal, knowing you're nourishing your body.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.